Here I have from Nested Naturals. This is Super Kids. This is superfood powder full of nutrients for growing bodies. And this is the fruit flavor. 100% vegan. Third-party tested, USDA organic, GMP certified facility, non-GMO. So let's check out and see what else we have in it. Lots of good stuff, lots of good ingredients in it. Apple powder, kale powder, carrot powder, spinach powder, cranberry powder, blueberry powder, pineapple powder, flaxseed, banana, beetroot powder, oil sprout, all kinds of great ingredients for little bodies to start growing. So anyway, I'm going to show you what it looks like and start mixing it up right here. So we took the cap off, and this is what it looks like right here. So just one scoop, one level scoop of it. There we go. And I like to use a different type of mixer than just a spoon. We use this type of whisk, power whisk mixer. And we'll just put it in there. And you can start seeing that it will change color into, let's put it over here in the light a little bit. You can see that it kind of changes color into like a red kind of fruit flavor, because it is fruit punch flavor, fruit flavor. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to do a little taste test on it. And yeah, it tastes really good. Superfoods in here, but Super Kids. This is from Nested Naturals. Highly recommend for growing bodies. So check it out. Rainbow Superfoods. Apples, cranberries, beetroots, carrots, kale, spinach, broccoli, blueberries, vitamin C, clean and fruity fun taste. And also, if you don't like the taste, you can always mix it with, Gatorade, apple juice, orange juice, something else like that your kids might enjoy.